people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking out time to watch my videos as usual. I appreciate it. Thank you. And if today is the first time you're watching any of my videos, sit tight, get popcorn, and enjoy the ride. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my flat twist. I've had this for about a week now, just about a week. And I also want to try out a headband wig. Never tried it before. I don't know how it's gonna go, so yeah, let's do this together. Okay, let's start with refreshing my dry A hair. Let's do this. Anytime I spray water on my hair, I usually have to massage it into my hair just because it takes a little bit extra time and love for water to saturate my hair. Let's give some extra love to my ends. Can you see with just water alone, my ends are... Look at the movement. And I don't know if you can see like a little bit of my curls. I don't know if you can see it, but water helps to moisturize your hair first. Okay, so second, I go in with a leave-in conditioner, and I like the Mielle brand. This much. I just go over. I'm paying extra attention to my ends because my ends are not tucked in, so I'm just giving my ends extra love and care that they deserve. Next step, I go in with hair cream or scalp cream. Is that what y'all call it? I call it hair cream. If you call it, I mean it's for the scalp, but yeah, you get my drift. I usually like to alternate between hair cream, scalp cream, but yeah, some people prefer oil, some people prefer hair cream. I prefer both. As usual, don't forget your edges. I put a little bit of hair cream on my fingertips and I'm just trying to smooth it. If I was using oil as well, it would be the same process that I'm doing now. The last thing I do is to seal in all that goodness with oil. And my preferred oil of choice is olive oil. I find that this method has worked really well for me. My hair is soft and moisturized again, and all is well in the land of Khadijah with a H. Now that my hair is moisturized, the next step to follow is to install my headband wig. So I'm just going to put on this wig cap to start with. Before I put on my wig cap, I'm just going to put a little bit of edge control just to smooth my edges just a little bit. And I really like this True Edge Plus Edge Control. I'll put the link below. And I usually just put a little bit. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. That's all it is. I just put a little bit on my edges because I don't want it to be too much. Just a little bit does the trick. Okay, I had to sit down for this because what is this magic? What is this magic? How am I just spraying water? How am I just spraying water and the texture is changing? All I'm doing is spraying water and brushing. How is this even possible? How? How? I feel like I need to do this. Okay, let me try it on. So let's put on the wig cap. I'm just gonna tuck my own hair inside at the back. I think I should do. So it has this clip at the back, and it has these two clips on the side, and it has these two tie thingies at the back, and it has the clips. I'm not sure if it'll be too big for my head or too small, or if it fits because I got a big head. I'm going to clip it first before I wear it. I do have a small head, not gonna lie, so I might have to make this shorter, but let's do this. Oh my god. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. If anybody sees me outside, this is my hair. This is my hair. Let me put some makeup on and just see how this is going to come together, okay? You can either wear it like this with the headband that it comes with, or I have this satin headbandy thingy. So I'm just gonna do this. Et voila. I am obsessed with this hair. This is my hair. I bought it, it's mine. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with headband wigs. This is beautiful. I'm sold. I am sold. Once it dries, I believe it'll puff up a little bit. Yep. It's a great way to protect your hair underneath. It's a great way to hide your ends. And it's just a nice hairstyle to have for, I mean, this is like, we're getting into spring, so it's a little bit cold-ish, but it's getting sunny, so it's like half and half. I can literally do anything. Straighten it, curl it, color it, air dry it, mousse it, conditioner it. But all I've done is just spray water. You guys saw me do that. That's all I did. And we have this gorgeousness. Oh my god, I could put it up. I can't stop touching it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for always engaging with my contents. Like, I love you. Yes, you. You're the real MVP. Thank you. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. Please don't forget to like this video physically. I know you like it, but just press that like button for me. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because you gotta support your girl. And don't forget to press that bell notification so you always have a ding every time I post. Thank you, bye.